And welcome to another edition of Maths Plus. Today we're covering the 2021 Leaving Cert Higher Level Trigonometry question. This is one of the longer questions, which is 50 marks. This will be done in parts. First of all, in the description, we have an airplane flying at a constant speed. It's going around this circuit here. The first question is find the length of BC. So let's examine the geometry. Down here we have an angle 20, therefore we can get the internal angle here by getting the 180 minus 20, which will give us 160 degrees. Now we have to decide what we can do with the triangle. Do we choose the cosine rule or the sine rule? If we have three sides and one angle, we can choose the cosine rule. If we have two sides and two angles, we can choose the sine rule. We have angle at A and the opposite line BC. We have an angle B and its opposite. Therefore, we have two sides and two angles. We will choose the sine rule. Let's get that in our log tables and let's substitute in our values. Here's the sine rule. A over the sine of A, the two opposites, and B over the sine of B. Start with the left hand side. BC will be on the left. You will replace A. It makes the algebra a lot easier because we can multiply up where we have BC over sine of 8.57 degrees. This will multiply up, work it out, and you can see that BC is 631.76. Now we want to find out how long it will take to go from B to C. We need to use the speed, time and distance formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. Write that out primarily, then you can rearrange it. In this case we want the time, so you're going to multiply up here and swap down with the speed. So the time taken will be 1.504 hours, and rounding that to hours and minutes, well, 60 by 0.5 is 30 minutes, and the time for the airplane to fly from B to C will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. Thank you for watching Maths Plus.